So there were a few challenges last year, and yet we delivered. Sent more than 100 people outside, Filipino volunteers, unique into that development area where they could magnify and multiply their skills, because there is a unique Filipino volunteer that we can contribute to the world, to developing countries outside of ourselves. We also developed our own national volunteering development programs. We finished our 3-year plan, going forward, which is major because we're in years of adjustments. And then we had, one of the things we did was we did an expo, the second volunteering expo, quite successful. We had 250 people, and all that within budget. So I think it was a challenging year, but otherwise a good year. And people believe us when we talk, and even more important, we deliver what we say. If we say we're going to do this and run this program for you, we do it. If we promise 100 volunteers internationally, we do it, difficult as it may be. The more important thing is that we deliver not only on those promises, but we deliver on our volunteering system, volunteer management system. The volunteer management system, which VSO Bahaginan has taken mastery over, we're now able to teach and help LGUs and other people. So I think that's the reason why they work with us, because we can help them. Again, the word is multiply.